Welcome to Entrepreneur Startup Stories. SpaceX successfully launched its second crew of astronauts to orbit on November 15 inside the company's Crew Dragon spacecraft. The flight, called Crew 1, marks the first operational mission of the Crew Dragon as SpaceX embarks on a new era of regularly sending people to and from the International Space Station for NASA. The Falcon rocket thundered into the night from Kennedy Space Center with three NASA astronauts: Michael Hopkins, commander of the Crew Dragon spacecraft and the Crew 1 mission; Victor Glover, pilot of the Crew Dragon spacecraft and second in command for the mission; and Shannon Walker, mission specialist for Crew 1, as well as Soichi Noguchi, mission specialist for Crew 1 from the Japanese Space Exploration Agency. While this is SpaceX's second crewed flight to space, it's the first true long-duration mission of SpaceX's new Crew Dragon spacecraft. The Crew Dragon's first crewed flight to space in May lasted just 2 months from start to finish. That flight was a test, meant to demonstrate that the vehicle can safely transport people to the space station and bring them back home again. It succeeded, and now the Crew Dragon is the first vehicle that NASA has certified to carry humans since the Space Shuttle, and first private spacecraft ever to receive that designation. The astronauts named the Crew Dragon spacecraft Resilience, highlighting the dedication teams involved with the mission have displayed and to demonstrate that when we work together, there is no limit to what we can achieve. They named it in honor of their families, colleagues, and fellow citizens. The Crew 1 mission is the first of 6 crewed missions NASA and SpaceX will fly as part of the agency's Commercial Crew Program. This mission has several firsts, including the first flight of the NASA-certified commercial system designed for crew transportation, which moves the system from development into regular flights. The first international crew of 4 launch on an American commercial spacecraft. The first time the space station's long-duration expedition crew size will increase from 6 to 7 crew members, which will add to the crew time available for research, and the first time the Federal Aviation Administration has licensed a human orbital spaceflight launch. Mission objectives: the crew will conduct science and maintenance during a 6-month stay aboard the orbiting laboratory and will return in spring 2021. It is scheduled to be the longest human space mission launched from the United States. The Crew Dragon spacecraft is capable of staying in orbit for at least 210 days, as a NASA requirement. Crew Dragon also is delivering more than 500 pounds of cargo, new science hardware and experiments inside, including food physiology, a study of the effects of an optimized diet on crew health, and genes in Space 7, a student-designed experiment that aims to better understand how spaceflight affects brain function, enabling scientists to keep astronauts healthy as they prepare for long-duration missions in low Earth orbit and beyond.